Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on with 3 more entries. Yay! Thank you so much for participating, ladies. I am so thankful and so grateful for each and every entry that I have received. All right, I'm going to jump right on in. This entry is from Delia Rojas. I think that's how you say your name, and I apologize if I am saying it incorrectly, but this is how her package came, and it's in this really pretty pink tissue. So I'm going to open it up. Thank you so much. And here it is. Let me just put that off to the side, and she's got it in another bag. That's a pretty Valentine's Day bag. All right, so here is her mini loaded bag. Look how super pretty it is. I love the paper that you use, and she's got a really pretty handmade rosette, and it looks like she used one of her punches to create the rosette. She's got a pretty heart, and it says "so sweet." Oh, I love those dies. You'll have to tell me who makes those dies. I don't think I have that. So pretty. Thank you so much. All right, let's look at her tags. Oh, look how adorable. Look how big it is. So this is the first tag. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's a shaker. She's got a beautiful greeting farm girl on the front. I absolutely love, with this really pretty trim. How sweet is that? Oh, there's a little card in the back. Oh, maybe this is her card or her letter. Hi Erica, thank you for the opportunity to participate in this fun challenge. Since it will be the first I participate since I'm new to this wonderful world of paper crafting. Congratulations on reaching 11K subscribers. I love your channel. You are a very talented crafter and love everything you create. Congratulations, Delia Rojas. Oh, thank you so much. Yay, another first timer. How super cute is this that she made this her little card and she did her envelope on the back. Very great idea. Love your coloring. Very, very cute. Thank you. I love that idea. All right, so let's pull out her baking tags. Oh my gosh, look how really cute. She's got a dress with an apron. It looks like she stamped an image and then she added it to a dress that maybe it's like an origami dress that she's made. This is absolutely adorable. It says, "A little treat for someone sweet." Love it. And then she's got this pretty rickrack trim on the top. Oh, that's adorable. And then here's the back, a to and from. Oh, I love it. You did amazing. And she made 2, so there's 2 of the exact same one. Thank you so much. And look at her adorable mini loaded bag. I love the way you decorated it, and I love the fun paper. It says, "You are so sweet." Super cute. Oh, she even has a dangle. And it has my name. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so thoughtful, and I will take it off and I'll use it on something, and it says "made with love." Thank you for that. Oh, look at, she's got a little greeting farm girl. It's like one of those, I don't know what you call it. I've seen this before. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Thank you for that. Absolutely adorable. Okay, let's look at her memory decks card. All right, let me take this out. Oh, and then she's got this clothespin. Oh, she made me a couple of dresses. Oh, thank you. Okay, awesome. So I can use these in a future project, and I love that they're purple. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Love it. And then here's her back of her bag. It says "Handmade with Love, Delia." And I hope I'm saying your name right. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at her adorable memory decks card. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She's got the cute greeting farm girl. She's got earrings, and she's got a really pretty trim in her hair, and she's got a purple dress, which I love. Is it a shaker? It's a shaker. Oh gosh, that's so adorable. And then she has the word "sweet," and I love the cupcake paper. This is absolutely adorable. Thank you for participating. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me cover up her address. There's her information. And she's on YouTube as Delia R, so you guys can find her there. Thank you so much for this amazing entry. I love it. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm gonna put your entry off to the side because I have 2 more that I'd like to share with you. And this next entry is from Michelle Delacio, and I have already read her card, and Michelle, I do remember you. She sent me happy mail a while back. She made me some beautiful crocheted macaroons, and I love it. I still have them. Thank you for participating. This is how her entry looks, and this is a beautiful handmade card that she made me. Look how cute. It says, "Oh dear," and then she's got her layered scalloped with that cute little deer and a heart that has Winka Stella on it. I've got to show you the inside. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so here is the inside of her card. It says sweet. Look at all the macaroons she made. And then look at that silverware. I love that. You'll have to tell me if that's a die. I love that. So pretty. And then she's got a heart holding all of the silverware. Isn't that super cute? And then this is her letter. And I just love how she did the heart. And it's actually, it's dimensional, and she's got the cute little doodle bug stickers on the bottom. So super cute. Thank you so much. And I do remember you, and I just appreciate you playing along. Yay! And this was her envelope. Super pretty. I love this paper. All right, so this is how her mini loaded bag looks. And it's actually not so mini, but it's absolutely adorable. She's got a cute little greeting farm girl, and it says spoil yourself, and I love the die that you used. All right, I'm gonna take out her tags. And this is what's in the front pocket. Oh my gosh, look at this tag, you guys. It's beautiful. Look at the trim. Love that trim. Oh, that's pretty. And she did one of those Queen & Co. shaker cupcakes. And I'm sorry for that glare, but that's adorable. And she's got some pretty trim on the bottom. Adorable. And she used one of those tags from Michael's from that the Hot Buy section. Great idea. And then that's the back. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you for that. And then she made me this one, and she used a Jaded Blossom tag die, and she's got the cute macaroons with the whisk and some more pretty trim on top. And that's the back. So pretty. And she made another one. Oh, you spoiled me. You made me so many. Thank you for that. She's got the cute cookie and the rolling pin and that really pretty blingy heart. And look at that pretty butterfly trim. It's gorgeous. And I love this trim too. Really, really pretty. I think you can get that at Michael's. I think I may have seen it there. And then this is the next one. She made me 4. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It has a really pretty dimensional cupcake and that pretty My Creative Time bow. And then she used some pretty heart ribbon. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for all of those tags. And let's check out her Memory Decks card. And oh, she made a kitty. Oh, how clever. Love that. That is so cute. And she's got her crown. All right, I'm going to turn it around, and I'm just going to cover up her address. Oh, thank you for sending a picture. You're beautiful, Michelle. You guys can find Michelle on Facebook, and that is her information, and I'll leave it in the description box below so you can go over there and say hi to her. Thank you, Michelle. This is such a beautiful entry. Thank you for participating. That was so sweet. And on the inside of this, it says, a girl should always be 2 things, classy and fabulous. Amen, right? Thank you so much. This was an adorable bag. Thank you for that. All right, I have one more entry to share with you, ladies. Just give me 1 second while I pull it. And here is my next entry, and this one is from Delia R. Soko, and I do apologize if I am mispronouncing the name. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. Oh my goodness. It looks like she sent a postcard. Wow, that's really pretty. It looks like maybe California or Arizona. Oh, yep, California. It says, hi Erica, thanks for hosting this challenge. It's been fun crafting for you. Thank you for always sharing your ideas on YouTube and Instagram. Here's to hopefully another 11,000 subbies. Here is a photo from a local photographer from my town of Redlands, California. Best wishes to you, Bella. Oh, thank you so much, Bella. That is so super sweet and very pretty. So this is her entry. Let me just take it out of the package. She's got it packaged up so cute. Look at her cute little cupcake. It's purple. That's so sweet. Thank you for that. All right, I'm going to take that off. I apologize for the crinkling. Oh, look at the back. It says made in California. Oh, that's super cute. So she's got her super sweet mini loaded bag decorated with a crit paper rosette and all this fun glitter. And it says sweet, and she used all these tiny little hearts. That is so adorable and sparkly. And let's check out her baking tags. Here's the first one. It says freshly baked just for you. Isn't that cute? And she's got all these little cookies and some really pretty sequins. Oh, I love how you made this a shaker, and then she's got a cookie in the middle, and he's with glossy accents. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, adorable. And then this is her second baking tag, and look how super cute. It's holding the cookies in a cookie jar. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Love this one. And then there's a to and from on the back. Very creative, and I love all the Winkostella that you use to make it all sparkly. Beautiful. And let's check out her Memory Dex card. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. She's a beautiful mermaid. And you must like using her stamps, and I can't remember the lady's name, but I'm a big fan of her stamps. I've never purchased them because they're just intimidating for me to color. But I love her images, and this is so, so pretty. And she's got her sparkled up with that really pretty Winkostella. Love the shimmer, and I love the paper and the stickers. It's just beautiful. I love your card. Okay, let me just turn it around. So there is her information. She's on Instagram and YouTube as Becca324, so that's where you can find her. And yeah, I will leave her information in the description box below. Thank you so much for participating, ladies. Please show these ladies some love and leave them a comment. Tell them what you think of their creations. I truly appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with more entries. Bye for now.